bells, jingle all the way.
Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock.
Good morning and happy Vlogmas Day 1. It's not Vlogmas Day 1. I don't know why I said that. I'm really tired. It's actually December 1st, but this is like Vlogmas Day 5 for you guys, I think. I don't really know. But just woke up. I'm gonna get ready for the day. This is my sleeping fit. This scrunchie matches this. This is my boyfriend's shirt and it's a dress on me. And then I have some fuzzy, whatever you call these, slippers maybe? Yeah. Let's go upstairs. Merry Christmas.
On the first day of Christmas, when you gave me all them kisses, boy, you showed me things. Come hold me, please, and never let me go. On the second day of Christmas, said you felt like something's missing, so you promised me that promise ring to keep till we get home.
There's some green. Oh well, look at these cute decorations. This tree skirt that the dogs definitely messed up. This is the tree that people see when they drive by in our window. Little decorations. We still have more to decorate. A wreath, some more stuff to decorate. Some little decorations. Little wreath right there. But normally when we get our Christmas tree, I actually don't know where we're gonna put it this year. Because this is a new couch and these are new couches. I don't know where we're gonna put it. Huh. I don't know. I came out here to look for packages that were delivered for me because I got a text that my package was delivered. Not on the front porch. That's strange. Hey guys, so I'm dressed. I've got my coffee. Do I know what I'm doing today? No. Is that okay? Yes. Is it still gonna be a good day? Yes. Actually, in 10 minutes, we are going, well, my family and I are going to be shopping for our adoptive family because every year we do adoptive family, which is basically families in our area who can't afford Christmas, and we basically like adopt the family and we're like Santa Claus, but like not, because Santa Claus is real, obviously. Okay, please, honestly, let me know if you believe in Santa Claus down below. Like, I am so curious because there are legitimately people who believe in Santa Claus, like at my school. Like they think Santa Claus is real, and like you are entitled to your own opinions. I do not think he's real, but I'm really curious to see how many people like believe in Santa Claus. So basically, yeah, in about 7 minutes, we are going to go shopping for our adoptive family, and I am so excited. Like, I love doing this every year, like my family and I. So basically what happens is the family like kind of gets you like a list of things that they need. It's more needs instead of wants, and we go out and we shop and we get those things for them. We wrap it all up and then we deliver it to them like Christmas Eve, I'm pretty sure. This year we are going somewhere for Christmas Eve. We'll probably, I don't know when we'll do it, but it's always so fun because you get to deliver it to them in person and it's amazing. And I highly recommend that you look for something like that in your area to get involved and make a difference in people's Christmases, because it's like, it's so fun. I'm pretty sure this is set up through our church, but I am not 100%, so definitely do some Googling if you're interested in doing this in your town. So I'm gonna get ready in the next 5 minutes and then we're gonna peace out of here. Let me just do this OOTD for you really quick. Necklace, jewelry. Also, I've been getting so many questions, which I am like blown away by how many questions I've been getting about my jewelry, and everyone is asking, am I restocking? Because I'm completely sold out and I never thought in a million years that would happen, which is just amazing and I am so thankful. But not only will I probably be restocking the original 5 sets, but I'm working on stuff for the future that you guys will love. So stay tuned. Also, this is from Goodwill. It's a white turtleneck. This coat is from Goodwill. These pants are from either Princess Polly or Zoffel, I'm not sure. And then I'm wearing some red Converse. Tobes! Why do you always go in this corner? Why? Loving the sweater, baby. Like, why does he always go in this corner? It's so weird.
He's so cute.
Oh, you got it! Yay!
Yeah.
Call me up.
Okay, good. It's good, it's good. Good.
Oh, Rocky, come here! Come here, Rocky! It's the OG baby. She's so big and look at all this fat. She's like a polar bear. Right now, we are on our way to TJ Maxx and we're gonna get our presents for the family. Ella's not here because she's at winter something with her friends. It's where they, it's like a church group where they go away for the weekend and they don't have their phones and they all just like hang out, stuff like that. So she's not here, but we're on our way right now, and I'm really excited. Like, I love doing this, and I have a whole bunch of like PR stuff at home, which is PR, if you don't know, it's like stuff that companies send like social media influencers when they want them to promote it. So I have stuff from like Maybelline and Clinique and all those brands that I'm gonna give one of the girls in our adopted family because she's 18, and I think she would enjoy a lot of it. And like, I get PR stuff all the time that I give to like mom or Ella or friends. Like, I'm really excited. What are the ages that we're shopping for?
I don't want to show the names, but there's a dad who's 55. He's got cancer. And then the mom is 39. And then the daughter that he got some stuff for, she's actually 18. The next one is 7. She is, Aunt Jessica's getting clothes for them because Allie, you know.
Right, Allie's around
yeah.
your age.
And then, and the last one is 2 years old, and I'm so excited to shop for her because, you know, it's always fun to shop for little girls.
Wait, she's 4?
She's 2.
Oh, she's 2.
Yeah, the youngest is 2. You know, the daughter who is 18, she really just wants long sleeve shirts, shorts, or I mean,
I'm gonna have
shirts
so much fun.
or sweaters.
I'm so excited to get these gifts for the 18-year-old because I'm like, this girl is like my age.
Yeah. All right. Bye.
Bye. This is so...
What about this one with the tie in it?
Ooh, that's cute. I don't think it's thick enough though, like for a real Christmas sweater. Wow, this one. It's so pretty. It's soft. It's only 12 too.
Oh, I love it.
Black one or no?
I like the material on that though.
Like, feel it. It's very soft.
Throw it in there.
You guys, look at all this decor. This is so beautiful. Hey, buddy. Let's get this for Roxy. Oh, that's not gonna fit, will it? Maybe. No, it stretches out. Get her the red one. That's gonna fit her. Let's see. You think that'll fit her on her? Yeah. Yeah, no, definitely will.
Yeah. I'd rather get like one of these because they can expand.
Yeah.
We need like a girly one.
Look at all this Christmas stuff. I'm in awe. What the heck? Found the ultimate Roxy Christmas sweater.
Oh, yeah,
that looks like it's for a baby, but like it'll fit her. We're at Five Guys. I didn't know they had peanuts here for free.
I like eating the shells.
Also, I posted this 12 minutes ago and there's already 80,000 likes and over 2,000 comments. Thank you guys so much because I was actually really insecure to post this and I wasn't going to. And then I was just like, you know what? Whatever. It's funny. It's me. It's what just happened. And you guys liked the video a lot. So I was like, you know what? Why not? I'm repping the new merch. I just thought it was acceptable and I'm really happy you guys are liking it. So thank you. I got oh my god, my hair is a mess, but I got a cheeseburger and we got some awesome presents for the family and I'm really excited. Doing big things out here. Even my backpack, like low-key matches my outfit.
Way I follow my heart. Don't you buy me nothing. Don't you buy me nothing. I am.
Oh my god.
I'm the Grinch, sing the Lou Who. I live in Whoville, who are you? Cough in my cup, that is a fact. I was a snow. That's me. Hello.
I have a very important question for you. What? Do you believe in Santa Claus?
No.
Explain.
Well, okay, so I was like, could you really do this? Like, this doesn't seem like possible at all. And then I was like, oh, if you believe, you'll get presents. I'm like, okay. I started like pretending to believe in him for a couple years, and then
dude, we still get presents from Santa though.
Okay,
no, I'm not trying to convince you that he's real. I don't think he's real either.
Okay.
What I'm saying is Mom and David and Dad still like to pretend that Santa's real. I think like pretending Santa's real is fun. It's just kind of funny. You're like, thanks Santa. What if there was someone who legitimately, like an adult, who legitimately believed that Santa was real, and when they had their first kid and the kid didn't get anything for Christmas, they're like, oh my god. That'd be so silly, Santa. Alright, music time. Yeah, music time.
That Christmas when you gave me all them kisses, boy, you showed me things that help me.
Yo, what's up guys? I'm at my dad's house. That was so weird. I'm at my dad's house now and we have some packages here to open. So first, if you can't take a guess at what this is, it's from Lululemon. Also, if you hear screaming and weird noises, that would be my brothers. Merry Christmas to myself. Finally got myself a new yoga mat and it's Lululemon. I've always wanted a Lululemon yoga mat and now I have one, so I'm very excited. There's that. Let's see what this one is. My pillows! This one says grateful and this one says family. Loving it. Also, I got this little sign here that says joy. Whoa. Alright, the last package here. I don't remember what this is. Oh my gosh. So ever since I was a kid, I have always seen kids with these shoes. I've just always wanted them, and I completely forgot about them. And now I'm proud to say I have now bought myself a pair of Uggs. I'm now officially a basic girl. This is like my mama I've made it sign. Wait, what? Why did they come in red? I'm utterly confused. I ordered them in tan. Okay, this is upsetting. You know what? It's fine. They're still a pair of Uggs. I'm still so stoked to put these on. Beautiful. Oh, I have another package. This is from Free People. Aha! I got these 2 tank tops. This white one, and it's like ribbed and it's super comfortable. It's just a nice like shirt to wear under cardigans and whatnot. So I also got it in black. Okay, so everyone's being really loud right now and I have a whole bunch to edit. So I think I'm gonna cut this vlog short, and also I just have so much room stuff to do and I can't wait to make a video on this room because it's gonna be so fun. And I can't wait for you guys to see, and I don't want to spoil this room because it's gonna be amazing. It's literally like completely new, like walls, everything. Like this is a brand new room and we're pimping it out. It's Ella and I's room at my dad's house and I'm so excited, but I just don't want to spoil it. So I'm gonna get working on this room. I think my friend Emily's coming over, but it's gonna be so dope. I'm so excited. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching. By the way, I forgot to mention that I'm not doing vlogs on here every single day because I still upload on my main channel. So if I miss a day on here, make sure you subscribe to my main channel. I have my post notifications on for that channel because if I haven't uploaded on here, then it's on my main channel and you should go watch it. All right, that's it. If you haven't bought this already and you want it before Christmas, go order it now or before they sell out. And that's it. I love you guys and hopefully I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Bye guys.
Rocking around
Have people seen your car yet?
No, I haven't posted the video. That's another thing I have to work on. Sometimes I just wish I was a mermaid from H2O. 87, get your order.
rocking around the Christmas tree. Have a happy holiday. Everyone dancing merrily in the new old-fashioned way.